Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting their coffee maker's temperature? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Start by turning on your Miele CVA 6805 coffee maker to ensure it's ready for use. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu using the display to access various options. Step 3. Select temperature. Select the brew temperature option by swiping or using arrow keys. Step 4. Adjust temperature. Adjust to your preferred temperature setting by increasing the level. Step 5. Save setting. Save and confirm the new temperature setting before exiting the menu. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily adjust your coffee maker's temperature. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Miele users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.